Are Udemy machine learning courses actually worth buying in 2026? If you're thinking about learning machine learning, you've probably noticed that there are hundreds of courses available, and that's exactly what makes the decision difficult. The good news is that some of Udemy's top machine learning courses have helped millions of learners build practical skills in AI, data science, predictive modeling, neural networks, and real-world machine learning projects. What I like about Udemy is that many machine learning courses focus on hands-on learning instead of pure theory. You'll often find project-based lessons covering Python, data analysis, machine learning algorithms, deep learning, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, neural networks, generative AI, and real-world datasets. That's especially important because employers and clients don't care how many hours of theory you've watched. They care whether you can actually build something. For students, freelancers, developers, data analysts, SaaS founders, and business professionals, machine learning has become one of the most valuable skills in today's market. But here's the honest part. Not every machine learning course on Udemy is worth your money. Some are beginner-focused, some are outdated, and some are designed more for academic learning than practical implementation. That's why you should always look at student reviews, ratings, project content, instructor credibility, and course update history before enrolling. My recommendation, if you're a complete beginner, start with a beginner-friendly machine learning course that teaches Python and real-world projects together. If you already understand Python, then look for courses focused on deep learning, AI engineering, LLMs, generative AI, and advanced machine learning applications. Overall, Udemy can be one of the most affordable ways to learn machine learning, especially when courses are available at discounted prices. And before you buy any course, check the description below. I've included the latest Udemy discount link, available promotions, and current coupon offers that may help you get the best machine learning courses at the best possible price. And if you enjoy finding honest course reviews, AI learning resources, software deals, and online course discounts, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.